Here we go.
Hi, it's me, a voice from your past, and I'm here, and we're going to talk about the 2023 Toyota RAV4. Okay? Remember when the RAV4 first came out? It was an
Little bitty
tiny
little
thing.
bitty
Well,
thing.
guess what?
It ain't
no more. There are two trim levels available, the SE and the XSE. The reviewed trim level is the XSE all-wheel drive Prime. Okay? Seats up to 5 people. Obviously, the driver would be included in that. Exterior changes from last model year, none. It was all new in 2019. I think that they've got a new revision coming out, but we're not going to talk about that. Exterior features, sporty, sharp looking with angular edges to it. Mine was black and white.
Very good looking.
It was good looking. We talked about it.
I like the trim accents.
Yeah, me too. Both trims have unique wheel designs. Tailgate has a very good look to it, and it is a wide open maw back there. In other words, you open the tailgate and you will see the sides of the back of the cargo area back there. That's how big it is. So it'll swallow up almost anything. Front grille does not overpower the front end. Thank you, Toyota. What I liked about it, the overall design gets an A+. There is, by the way, an off-road style option. Oh, no, I take that back. There's not, and it needs to have one. It does not have an off-road style option. It has the XSE and the SE, not off-road.
I wouldn't think a RAV4 is an off-roadable.
Oh, yeah, but I mean, beach and, light dirt roads.
Well, you would
know.
Listen, you don't know about the marketing. You don't know about the design stuff and all the thought that goes into all of that. What are we going to go after? I think that they've done a very good job. It just doesn't have an off-road thing to it. Kind of like the Subaru Outback, which is a growth of the Subaru Impreza.
Yeah.
And they've made a new model now that's a off-road looking thing, and all it is body cladding on it. Okay, moving on. Interior highlights, overall comfortable cabin, well-placed controls with the infotainment screen atop the center dash. It also has the EV and traction control on the center console. Seating, attractive and comfortable. Cargo and trunk room, as I mentioned to you, a wide open maw allows for lots of big stuff to fit in it, especially with the back seats down. What I liked about it, the cabin friendliness. It's easy to use. It's easy to get in and out of. You know where everything, it's just easy. It's a great design. It has a 2.5 liter hybrid engine that gets 302 horsepower rating.
Wow.
Combined. So when you use the gasoline engine and it couples up with the electric motor on it, 302 horsepower. This thing will get up and go, man. And it's not a race vehicle at all.
But it's the synergy drive, so it's that evolution of Prius as it has expanded to other platforms within the Toyota brand.
And here's an interesting
It gets
fact.
better every time.
And it's well proven, efficient and effective.
Here's the interesting thing. This is the second quickest vehicle in the entire Toyota lineup.
Really?
It's only behind the GR86.
Oh, wow. I'll be darned.
The GR86. It's the quickest. I didn't know that when I was driving it. I knew that it was fast, but I didn't know it was that fast. Has a CVT transmission. The battery mode will take you approximately 40 miles on the charge. Get this. Combined,
Wait.
it gets 94 miles to the gallon.
Wow.
Keep the battery charged and you get 94. The gasoline only gets 38 miles to the gallon.
And you got?
I don't know because I couldn't figure out how to read it.
Oh.
I would assume that it's somewhere in there.
That's how many miles divided by how much gas.
Well, I know, but I couldn't get in
But
there.
you said you never put gas in it.
No, never. No. I gave it back to him with, I think, 3/4 of a tank of gas. What I liked about it, the get up and go, what could use improvement, optional hot rod screen.
All right.
And the instrument cluster. Well, Why not?
Mhm.
It's the
If it's that
quickest thing.
quick.
If it's the
Yeah.
quickest thing they got. Let's have some fun. Ride and handling, both easy riding and non-aggressive handling. So it's an easy car to drive. Great road tripper. Seriously, seats are comfortable. It's great.
And smart enough not to put a third row in it.
Thank you, God.
Yeah, that would cramp it up.
Base trim price $46,210. That's the base model price. Base model price. Base trim price $43,990. So you can get into it for $43,990. Price is tested $51,918. It ain't cheap.
No.
And the RAV4 originally was.
See, I
Cheap.
thought it would be less than
Entry
that.
level.
Yeah.
I did too. Comparisons: Hyundai Tucson PHEV, 37.5. So it's about $5,000 more than that. Kia Sportage PHEV, 38,690. And then we had to throw in a third one, and the Volvo XC60 T8 extended range, 62,545.
Yeah, but you have a Volvo when you're done.
But yeah, well, there's that.
They're
Anyway.
coming back.
There is my review of the Toyota RAV4.
There you have it.
Very good.
Thank you.